Today, we're going to show you the quickest way to hide sensitive or literally any apps, whether from the home screen or app screen on your Galaxy S25 Ultra or Plus. And we'll also show you how to unhide those apps when you need them back. To hide any apps, swipe up your screen, enter App Screen, tap on this three dot. From here, go to Settings, scroll down, and enter Hide Apps on Home and App Screen option. Now here, your work is simple. Just go ahead, keep scrolling down and select those apps that you want to hide from your app and home screen. And after selecting, don't forget to press Done in here. And as you can see, all those apps are hidden on my home screen, even from app screen. And not just that, even if I search for any of those apps, I won't find that. Now, if you want to keep them hidden and still want to use them, the only option is just go ahead, open up Settings, look for apps, and here, just search for that specific app, for example, Facebook. And then you can open all those hidden apps from here. Now, for some reason, if you want to unhide them back again, just go back into the same section and simply unselect those apps from the top. And then press Done. Those apps will appear on your app screen once again. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.